Adaptations and energy flow. Some physical adaptations of the desert hairy scorpion is a waxy exoskeleton to keep cool. Their specialized hairs, which help them sense prey and get them easier, and their colorization, so they blend in more, so they can hide from predators. Some behavioral adaptations is that they're nocturnal to avoid daytime heat, and they also burrow to again avoid the heat. The Gila monster, some physical adaptations are the low metabolic rate, because in the October and March season, when they're dormant, their color to blend in, and they also have strong claws for burrowing, but also for climbing. That's how they get their eggs for the most part. Some behavioral adaptations is the seasonal changes, like I just talked about, and they are very defensive during mating season. Some physical adaptations of the ghost-faced bat is echolocation. They use that to find their food and navigate. They also have an odd facial structure, as you can see, but that also actually helps with their echolocation. And their behavioral adaptation is their roosting behavior. They roost together, but it's not like they don't compact together like other species. They do this so they can avoid illness and parasites. Environmental changes. Um, Obviously, there's climate change, and this is increasing the temperature of deserts, which leads to more desertification, which then increases more wildfires. So that's taking down all these plants that take so long to grow and replacing them with like grasses. This also includes creating more sandstorms because there's not as many big plants. Um, People also affect this. Off road vehicles put a lot of oil and other gross stuff, which kills off all life. And then also, deserts are common for nuclear testing in the past and still the present, and we see many impacts on that. The keystone species of this environment is the saguaro cactus. They provide an extreme amount of shelter and food to over 100 species. If this cactus was gone, many of these species would not have a place to live or eat, and then they would slowly die off. Here is all of my resources I used, including pictures. Thank you.